Hi guys, Becki-licious here. It is Saturday, which means it's super cross. So we figured I would do super cross chili. It's really, really chilly outside where I'm at. And so I figured what a better way to warm yourself from the inside out is with chili. Old family recipe. We've been making this for absolute forever and it is amazing. As you can see, I've already got the ground beef and the onions all cooked up and everything. The extra meat that we're going to be adding in later, which by the way is top sirloin. You have to use top sirloin. It makes all the difference. So that's already ready to go. So let's add in our extra ingredients because it's super easy. Super, super easy. So we're going to start with our tomatoes. We've got our whole tomatoes and then our stewed tomatoes. Yeah, this is, I've tried a lot of chili in my time. I have, lots of chili. And this, like I said, takes the cake for sure. All right, and then we are going to add in our kidney beans. And we're adding everything. We don't have to drain, none of that stuff. Like I said, it's super, super easy. The hardest part is everything simmering and having to wait for everything. And then we're going to add in our pinto beans. Let's get all the good stuff in there. All right. So let's get this all mixed up. Oh my goodness. The best thing I love about chili is letting it just simmer for hours, and then you can start to smell it, and you know it's getting close. So, plus it reheats amazing if you don't finish it all. So this will be perfect. There we go, look at all that. Doesn't that look amazing? It's not even done yet. All right, so now that we've got it all the juice is in there, we're gonna add a little bit of chili seasoning packets. And I like to do these one at a time. I don't want them to get all clumped up or anything like that. So we're just gonna do one at a time so we can get them all stirred in and incorporated. Look at that. See, good stuff, isn't it? So, while we're all, taking our time doing this, don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, click on that link tree for some other fun stuff. All right, let's do this second packet. Chili seasoning. Okay, that ought to do that. All of that. Look at that. Yum stuff for sure. And of course, with this, we're going to be making some cornbread to go along because you got to have cornbread with your chili. I mean, it kind of goes without saying. Okay, so we've got that all incorporated. And then to add a little bit of color, we add a little bit of bell pepper. Like I said, it just adds a little bit of color to it. And of course it makes it amazing, so. There we go. Look at how pretty that is now. Got all mixed up. All right. And last, but certainly not least, the meat. We're gonna get all of this dumped in there. We want all those juices, all that yummy stuff. Look at all that. Tell me that's not amazing. And surprisingly enough, this is actually a small version of this recipe. We used to make really big batches. But like I said, the beauty about chili is it heats up absolutely amazing. I love to take this, I love to portion it up and freeze it. And that way, anytime it's like, oh, what's for dinner tonight? Hey, let's do chili. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna get this all mixed together and then we're gonna let this simmer for a little while. So check back with me in a few, okay? All right, look at this amazing chili. It's been simmering for quite a while now. Look at how yummy and delicious that looks. Oh, my mouth is watering just thinking about it. Made a little bit of cornbread, so there we go. Doesn't that look good? Sprinkle a little bit of cheese or chopped onion if you want, jalapeno, obviously your choice. I made up some honey butter to go along with our cornbread. I mean, look at this. As you can tell, we are all ready for Supercross tonight. And for those of you that, know, we're definitely ready for Supercross tonight. So here you go, Supercross chili. Like I said, old family recipe. So thank you guys once again for joining me. I hope you had fun. I always do. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.